5 in the morning, One Punch Man Challenge, day 5. Slowly getting there, just being lazy and putting it off. I always wanted to do this. I know it's not fun staring at a blank background. It's not quite ready yet. I'll show it to you guys when it's all done up. Day 5, One Punch Man Challenge. I've not been going for a run on day 5 because my legs aren't doing too well. I feel like I'm getting some sports injuries on my sore knees and my ankle and feet. It's been quite painful, affecting my walking during the day. I'm putting a stop on to the running part, and I've finished 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and that's all going real well. But however, I feel there's no incentive of me to keep doing it because it's getting too easy on those 100 reps. I'm going to put a stop on this challenge now, and I'm going to move on to the next challenge. I'm going to rest for a few days because my feet, like I said, my legs aren't doing too well. And the message that I wanted to get out there is you're supposed to run slowly and extending your distance on your running. So you're not meant to run a long distance straight away. So I did a 30 days challenge on 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers a day for 30 days. And that worked out well. I don't think going straight into a 30 days challenge, running 10k every single day is a good idea, because you're supposed to like I said, slowly adding the distance onto it. I can do 50 burpees a day, 30 days challenge, or 100 burpees a day, 30 days challenge. However, when it comes to running, it's really a different game. You really have to do some research, learn how to protect your joints and knees and get into the right position of running. I just want to make sure that the message that I'm giving out to you guys are correct. I don't want anyone to think that it's okay to push themselves so hard that it's okay to get injuries just because it seemed like fun to do all these exercises and challenges. Besides that, you're supposed to have rest days in between your long distance runs. Even for professional athletes, they do have rest days. You're not supposed to put so much pressure on your legs and joints. And the reason why I do this is because I wanted to push myself to a point where I can see how it will turn out to be. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a challenge. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail, and that's life. Thank you for all your comments and support on this channel. I'll see you in the next challenge.